everybody, welcome to another video. I am sure that you can see from the title that this is going to be another Wish video, and I am going to be testing out some really cheap and expensive gadgets that I purchased from Wish. I don't know, when it comes to these videos I am always super excited. I don't know if it's because they're so cheap. I really want to see if they work. But yeah, we have gadgets for the kitchen, for the bathroom. What else we have? We got stuff, so we're gonna go through this and see if they work, how they work, that kind of thing. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and click that red subscribe button and click the notification bell while you're at it so that you always know when I upload a new video. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this Wish app video. So the first item that I actually arrived and that I am probably maybe most excited to try out is this one right here. I'll go ahead and put it on the screen. I purchased it for 85 cents and I have everything in the original packaging. I opened it because in Barbados at customs you have to open so that they can assess the value and then charge you what they want to charge you. Anyway, so it is open, but I have it in the original packaging. So this is it. Oops, showing up my address. This is it here, and this is what it looks like. Really cute, pink on one side and then like a turquoise color on one side. And this seller was so cute. They went ahead and they gave me like a little bracelet and it has love on it with a red string. And they even left me a message that said, "Dear friend, thank you for your order. Hope you'll like the goods and leave all 5 stars. Thanks, Hannah." That was so cute, a little personalized message. So this is the, what do they call it? This is called the, what is it? I always unprepared for these videos. I have it on my laptop here. The Magic Painless Hair Remover Device. I think that's what it's called. And the claims that I've seen on the app, people have used it on their upper eyebrow, they've used it on their hand. The picture that really caught my eye, however, was the one using this on their underarm. Now, the majority of people that I have seen use this product on YouTube, they went for their nice, you know, arm or their leg. I am gonna go, I am gonna take care. Oh, this is how close we are. I am gonna use my underarm because the hair under my underarm is much coarser, and I really want to see if this product lives up to what it claims. So we're gonna bring you closer. Alright, so we got you up close and personal. This is my underarm that I am working with, and they said to go ahead and wet your underarm, so I am just gonna wet it here. Okay, it's wet. See? Wait, so going in with, I'm gonna use the pink side, and if I could get it open, there we go. Alright, so the instructions say to use the pink circle rotation in one direction, friction, rub up and down briskly for 1 minute in the same position. So let's go. Alright, so before, let's go, minute, rub it briskly. Ooh, I gotta tell you, my arms are tired already. One minute is a long time to be rubbing though, like what the hell? See if anything. No. All this is doing is hurting, to be honest. So I had to say, my underarm hurts. That's not what I had to say. I had such high hopes for this product. I don't know why. Maybe because I saw a lot of people review it and it worked for them. But on my hair, I don't know if... Actually, maybe on my arm, maybe it worked a little bit. But if you have thick, coarse hair, this is definitely not going to be a hair removal solution for you. So let's get into the next item, the next gadget that I have. The next gadget is actually this Bluetooth speaker right here. And funny thing, or not really funny, which I'm finding maybe is a trend now, these things do not come with instructions. So you either got to figure it out on your own or look online and see if somebody can assist you. But it just comes with an on and off button, a mode button, it looks like a volume increase button, and then a slot for USB slash aux cable, and then headphones. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna turn it on. Let's see if it works. Oh,
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, it's pretty. I like this.
Power off.
Power off? This seems like it won't be rude. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I am gonna turn on the Bluetooth on my phone. Let's turn it on. Alright, so I think I paired it. Let's go ahead and play a video. We ain't trying to get no copyright here, so let's go ahead and try. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And it feels like forever that I have I don't know what is going on. Alright, so I just wanted to pause this video to tell you guys that I don't know what was happening in this video on this day that I was filming, but the product refused to work. This gadget refused to work. But I subsequently tested it off camera and it did in fact work. So I will give it a thumbs up. The next gadget is this right here. You're probably looking like, what the hell is this? This is a funnel vegetable carrot radish cutter shred slicer spiral device. Them and these names so long. So I don't know how you're gonna fit. Let's open this. I don't know how you're gonna fit a carrot into here because, like, look how big this is. Look how huge this is. I could probably fit cucumber into this, but this is huge. But we're gonna go to the kitchen and test this out and see if it gives us any little spiral vegetable whatever. So this is the little device here, and I got a carrot. So let's, how would I even, like, oh, okay, alright, wow, it's kind of like a sharpener. Pretty cool. So look, see, shredded. I like this. Alright, so the next gadget that I had to test out is this one right here, and this is actually a toilet bowl light. And this one says it comes with 8 colors in one device. It fits any toilet. Make your life colorful all day. I'm in the toilet all day. Anyway, so I was proactive because I saw online that you need AAA batteries. I don't have AAA batteries laying around, so I bought them for the supermarket just for this video. So this one actually, does this come with instructions on it? No, it does. Yeah, this one actually comes with instructions. Wow. So it says fit to toilet, adjust length of arm, right size. So let's see. Let's take it out of the box. Okay, so it looks like this. And I assume this is the... I don't know. So it says to adjust the arm. Adjust length of the arm, right side. It's not moving. You know, this thing's, oh yeah, it's moving. You gotta wiggle it. Okay. And then it says to turn, insert batteries, right size arm to hang light bulb on the rim of the toilet, turn out the lights, set a color, and let them rotate. So I am gonna install the batteries into here, put it on the toilet, and then turn it on and see if it works. So we are in the bathroom. There goes the toilet. This is such an awkward video. Alright, so we're gonna put the light on and see if it actually works. Oh! Wow, y'all, look. Wait, I'm not even showing you. How many? Oh my goodness. So cute. It legit works. Different colors. Red and green and orange and pink. With light in there. So I really hope that you enjoyed these videos and you enjoyed all these little wish gadgets that I had. If you have any suggestions for videos, it could be wish related or not, please feel free to leave them down below in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up. If you have not already, click my face right there and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.